Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Your desire to lose weight is strong. But maybe the number on the scale isn't budging. That is frustrating. And common. Today in this video, I offer 3 tips very effective to kickstart steady weight loss. Before we start, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon to keep update. The weight loss industry is full of myths. People are often advised to do all sorts of crazy things, most of which have no evidence behind them. However, over the years, scientists have found a number of strategies that seem to be effective. Now, I share with you 3 tips very important to kickstart steady weight loss. Tips number 1. Know your starting weight. Weigh yourself first thing in the morning, after you empty your bladder. Hint: put your scale on solid flooring, not carpet or tiles that are not even. Tips number 2. Weigh in regularly. Step on your scale at the same time of day, if you can. How often? There's debate about that. Daily weigh-ins. Such frequent weigh-ins show temporary ups and downs that may not matter in the long run. This schedule does help you build the habit, however, and reminds you to stay strong with your efforts. Weekly weigh-ins. This schedule helps you focus on the overall trend and not get hung up by a single number. It doesn't provide as much of a reminder to keep up your weight loss efforts, though. In the end, decide what you prefer and can stick to. Regular weigh-ins are a common success factor among people who lose weight and keep it off. Tips number 3. Bite off what you can chew. Let's be real, big and unrealistic goals lead to weight loss fails. Instead, get smart. That means making small, doable but important weekly goals and having a plan to reach them. When deciding on your weekly goals, think specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific: you say what weight loss goal you'll do this week, and where, when, and how you'll do it. Measurable: your goal is something you can count or measure. This way, you can track your progress and celebrate when you reach your goal. Achievable: the goal is realistic. It should stretch you, but be something you can get to if you try. Relevant: you feel the goal matters and will help you. Time-bound: the goal is something you can start right away and reach in a set amount of time. You may want to go for a 2-part weekly goal that includes an increase in physical activity and trims some calories. Take a look at these goal statements. Not smart: I will eat less and work out more. Smart: I go out for lunch. Restaurant meals have lots of calories, nearly every workday. Instead, I will pack a healthy lunch and bring it to work Monday through Thursday this week. I will eat my lunch, then use the rest of my lunchtime to go for a brisk walk. When I shop for food, I will buy healthy items that are easy to pack for lunch. I will make tomorrow's lunch this evening, so it's ready for me to grab and go. Yes, it takes a few more minutes to think of your SMART goal. But then you'll have a plan that lists key details. That means you can focus on doing the things that help you to reach your goal. Small steps really do add up to weight loss results. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. You want to know more about this one in a future episode? Put a + sign in the comments and share this video. Thank you for watching.